This NotebookLM trick changes everything. You're wasting hours on SEO research. You're manually copying competitor data into spreadsheets. You're struggling to turn research into actual content. Meanwhile, everyone else discovered a free tool that does it all, and you're about to find out exactly how. Hey, I'm Ava. Today I'm showing you something that completely changed how I create SEO content. Google's NotebookLM just got massive updates. This is a full content system that takes messy research and turns it into high-ranking articles, data tables, and AI-generated videos in minutes. So let's talk about what changed. Google just upgraded NotebookLM to Gemini 3. Better reasoning and understanding. They added data tables for organizing research into spreadsheets. Video overviews now work in 80 languages. Plus, you can upload Word documents and images directly. Here's the workflow that's saving me 10+ hours every week. 4 simple steps: content discovery, SEO data tables, optimized content briefs, and AI video overviews. Step 1 is content discovery. You start by identifying your target keyword. Let's say you want to rank for how to use AI for content creation. Go to Google, search that keyword, and grab the URLs of the top 10 ranking pages. Now create a new notebook in NotebookLM. Paste in those competitor URLs as sources. NotebookLM reads every word. It maps connections between ideas. You just built yourself a private research database. Here's where it gets powerful. You ask NotebookLM specific questions. Summarize the dominant search intent across all these sources. List every H1 and H2 heading used, plus how often they appear. Identify 6 content gaps where my competitors are weak. Create a full SEO outline with H1 through H3 structure and suggested word counts. Provide 8 FAQ schema pairs I can add to my article. NotebookLM gives you all of that in minutes. Every single insight comes with citations linking back to the exact source. You can verify everything. This is correlational SEO. You're analyzing what's already ranking and finding the gaps. Maybe 9 out of 10 competitors talk about AI tools, but only 2 mention specific workflows. That's your opportunity. Write the deep dive on workflows that nobody else covered. When I first started using this approach, I was honestly overwhelmed. There's so much you can do with NotebookLM. That's when I found this community called AI Profit Boardroom, with over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Now, step 2, SEO data tables. This feature launched in December. Before this, comparing competitor strategies meant hours building spreadsheets manually. Here's how it works. You upload your competitor articles to a notebook. Then you tell NotebookLM to create a data table. You can ask it to extract specific information like pricing comparisons, feature lists, statistics used, heading structures, word counts, whatever metrics matter for your content. NotebookLM scans all your sources and builds a clean, structured table. Then you export it directly to Google Sheets. You can use data tables for so many things. Competitive analysis to see what features competitors highlight. Keyword research to track which terms appear most often across top-ranking pages. Content gap analysis to identify topics your competitors missed. Historical data updates to find outdated statistics you can refresh in your content. Step 3 is creating optimized content briefs. You've done your research, you've built your data tables. Now you need an actual content outline built to rank. Your outline should be based on what's actually working in the search results. NotebookLM makes this easy. Here's the prompt I use. Based on all uploaded sources, create a comprehensive content outline for my keyword. Include recommended H1, H2, and H3 structure. Identify the primary search intent and secondary intents. List LSI keywords and TF-IDF terms to include. Suggest word count range based on top performers. Provide FAQ questions with schema-ready answers. Note any statistics or data points I should reference. Highlight content gaps where I can differentiate from competitors. NotebookLM delivers a complete brief, a full strategic document that tells you exactly what to write and why. It shows you where competitors are strong and where they're weak. It identifies the search intent so your content actually answers what people are looking for. One thing that's critical here, NotebookLM helps with research and strategy. It doesn't replace your expertise. You still need to write content that sounds human and provides unique insights. Think of NotebookLM as your research partner that handles the tedious data work so you can focus on creating something genuinely useful. Now, step 4, AI video overviews. After you've created your written content, you can turn it into video format automatically. NotebookLM generates video presentations based on your sources. It pulls images, diagrams, quotes, and numbers directly from your documents and turns them into narrated slides. Here's what makes this powerful for SEO. Video content ranks on both Google and YouTube. You're doubling your chances of ranking and reaching people who prefer reading versus watching. Video overviews are available in 80 languages now. You can choose between explainer for comprehensive deep dives or brief for quick summaries. You can pick visual styles like whiteboard, watercolor, retro, even anime. The tool generates everything in the background so you can keep working while it processes. The same thing works for audio overviews. Those famous AI podcast-style discussions where two virtual hosts talk through your sources. You can customize the tone, length, and focus areas. Choose between deep dive, brief, critique, or debate formats. I use audio overviews for learning new topics fast. Upload a bunch of articles about a subject. Generate an audio overview. Listen while doing other work. By the time I'm done, I have a solid understanding without spending hours reading. Speaking of the chat feature, you can have a conversation with your uploaded sources. Ask questions and NotebookLM answers based only on those documents. Every answer includes citations. If it doesn't know something, it tells you. No making stuff up. Let's talk about some advanced tips. First, use the Mindmap feature. It creates a visual diagram showing how concepts connect. Second, custom personas. The customization limit just expanded from 500 to 10,000 characters. You can create incredibly detailed expert personas. Third, deep research. Give NotebookLM a topic and it creates a research plan, searches hundreds of sources, and compiles a comprehensive report. Fourth, organize strategically. You get 100 notebooks on the free tier. I organize mine by content pillar. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not. Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Let's wrap this up. SEO is getting more competitive. The people who win combine AI efficiency with strategic thinking. NotebookLM gives you the efficiency. You bring the strategy. Do better research. Find better gaps, create more valuable content. NotebookLM handles the tedious parts so you can focus on insights that AI can't replicate. This tool is free, made by Google, constantly getting better. The people using it now are building skills that will compound over time. Go to notebooklm.google.com. Create your first notebook. Pick a keyword. Add the top 10 competitor URLs. Ask NotebookLM to analyze search intent and identify content gaps. Then build from there. Create data tables, generate content briefs, experiment with audio and video overviews. Remember, use AI for the repetitive research tasks so you can spend more time on creative strategic work. Start simple. Pick one workflow and get really good at that. Then add another piece. Build your skills systematically. This is how you stay competitive. Learn the tools, build the systems, develop workflows that actually work. Keep refining as the tools get better. NotebookLM just gave you a massive advantage.